Here are some of the secrets to speaking with gravitas on stage. Number one, your opening matters. Make sure you know it. Make sure you can deliver it with confidence. Make sure it doesn't trip you up. But in fact, your opening starts before your opening line, and that's where you start to build gravitas. From the moment you walk on the stage, you need to walk on with confidence. You look relaxed. You're not a bag of nerves. And thus, an audience can relax, and they will see you as having gravitas. Another thing you can do to help bring gravitas to the stage is embrace the pause. Pauses are your friend. A pause just says, I've got all the time in the world. A pause allows your brain time to think, what am I going to say next? And it gives your audience's brains a chance to process what you've just said, and they're far more likely to remember it and act on it if they've had that opportunity to process it. The last thing that will help you bring gravitas to the stage is knowing your stuff, i.e., don't wing it. There are very few people who can really deliver with gravitas completely off the cuff. There are some people who can, and they are very lucky, but most of us need to prepare. We need to rehearse, and we need to make sure that it's as good as it can be. If you've watched other videos on my channel, you'll have heard me say, rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. Rehearse, critique, hone, repeat. It's how you make your presentation better. By rehearsing it, by critiquing it, getting other people to critique it, by honing it, and then repeating that process until it's as good as it can be. And believe you me, a lot of the people who you see presenting, who you think, oh, they've got great gravitas, that's because they've been through that process. They haven't just thrown something together at the last minute. They haven't just rushed on stage and go, right, what am I going to talk about? They've thought about it, they've prepared, then they've rehearsed, critiqued, honed, repeat. Just 3 short ways for you to take more gravitas with you onto the stage. If you like these tips, like and subscribe for more, and come back very soon when I'll have more tips on how you can have gravitas when you're presenting.